All right, drink we're about to make is called Apricot Orange Fizz. Let's put some ice in a glass, and we're going to measure out 1 ounce of apricot brandy, 1 ounce of light rum, and we're going to follow that up with an ounce of orange juice and a splash of lime juice. And give that a shake, just enough to mix it up. Now we're going to take a fresh glass here, go ahead and pour what we have so far in. And we're going to finish it off with some club soda. It's going to give us a nice fizz. There you go. Take your spoon, give it a little bit of a stir, garnish it with a nice fresh orange slice. Add a straw, and you've got a nice combination of apricot and orange flavors in a fizzy beverage. Bottoms up.